Morning, friends. So today is Wednesday the 30th. I got for Christmas this Hoover steam vac. If you're a weirdo like me where this is just it, girl, this like checks all the boxes for you. For whatever reason I got cut off there, but this steam vac that I'm about to show you in action, the one you just saw, oh my gosh, it's so good. I have steamed all of the rugs in this house and you'll see all of the dirt that pulls out of it. I will link it down below if you're interested, but oh my gosh. If you love to clean or this kind of stuff gives you satisfaction, or if you're in the market for a steam rug cleaner, this is the one. It's triggerless, so you just move and clean the carpet without pushing a button, you know, and it just washes and dries as you push it. There's no button at all, and it lets you know by stopping the suction when you need to empty the water. It's fabulous. This, look at the cats over there fighting. You see them? Kitties! Rotor! Rooster! Ryland's over here playing. And I'm about to vacuum this and then steam it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do it. Rug looks brand new. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I totally can. I'll put a picture here of what it looked like half done, and I was shocked at how much brighter and like just clean. This brings me so much joy. So I'm coming in au natural. I'm in the mood and need to declutter my closet and my makeup. It's just, you know, that's what we do. We declutter the shit that we don't use. I'm not gonna talk through every portion. If I do have something to say, then I'll just voice over it. I feel like that would be better for you guys and not boring. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We gonna clean it out. We gonna feel new. And I wish you guys could be here to help me. Okay, let's start. the end of the day. I've lived life, girl. I've made dinner. I mommed up. We'll probably do the closet clean out in another video. And like, can you guys just see this? My office is in my bedroom right now. I mean, blessings. I'm blessed that I have somewhere to live, okay? But mama's ready to move into a new house. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. It's okay. It's real life. Look at me. Look at what I look like.
Don't.
They're getting ready for school.
Look at the cat.
I just wanted to say good morning.
No.
Rooster wanted to say good morning too.
Rooster.
Love you. Choo. All right, so I have some sausage here. I'm sauteing some mushrooms, and I'm about to throw in these asparagus bits in there. I think I'm gonna just flavor it Asian and put some butter and some garlic in there. What else am I gonna put in there? I'm just gonna throw a bunch of seasoning. I might actually put some spinach in there too. And this is, I just like doing these. They're like bowls. I've done this before. I think I showed you guys this. It's one of my favorite things to do. Just sauteing these mushrooms. I'm cutting them in the pan because I completely forgot to cut them before. Asparagus, tossing them in there. And for the diet that I'm doing before my birthday, I told you guys I was like eating clean. And also this pan, you guys, it's amazing. Mine looks all beat up because it's old, but it's an Amazon must-have, dude. It's so good. It's a natural stone finish, so there's no non-stick film on top of it. Anyways, it's fabulous. So that's great. And for diet, I'm just doing low carb. The carbs that I put in it are usually just like quinoa, brown rice, that kind of thing. And for seasoning, I think I'm gonna use just some salt and pepper, or actually garlic, salt, and pepper. I love garlic. I'm gonna toss some of this minced garlic in there. Garlic. I like a lot of garlic. Just toss that in. I'm also gonna put some butter in there. Take some of this butter, or actually probably just more. Honestly, could chop up an onion and put it in here, but I'm too lazy. That looks phenom. I think I'm gonna toss some spinach in there. Because why not? I'm just gonna toss it right on top. Just like that. The butter is gonna really help that. I think I'm gonna drizzle some sesame oil on it too, because I really like Asian flavors. Just gonna use this pure sesame oil. Just drizzle it on top. Like that. And if you've cooked with spinach before, it wilts down super quickly. Doesn't that look beautiful? Then once that cooks down, I'm gonna set it to the side and just brown this. And I will, you know, toss it together and serve it over quinoa. Yum! And then I'm gonna go ahead and just follow the directions on the back, but use chicken broth. And I emptied it out and put it on a plate. I'm just gonna take that Italian sausage. You can use any meat. Ground turkey is super good. Ground beef is good. I've been liking sausage lately. So we're just gonna brown that up. Is the quinoa. I just use a rice cooker. So the actual base of this broke. It's a rice cooker, but you can still use your stove, you guys. Don't let it fool you. And then I just toss it to the side. I'm gonna put the meat on the side of it and then just toss it together.
Books and courses
memberships and speaking engagements and really a global movement at this point. And the question that I would always get from people when I was writing these books or working with Deepak Chopra and really expanding into my voice, into my truth was how are you doing this? How are you modernizing ancient wisdom for a living? And
asparagus, the spinach, and the mushrooms, and then the quinoa is on the bottom. If you had feta cheese, ooh, it tastes so good, but all I have is Parmesan. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that on the top. Totally don't have to do that. Feta is way better, but that's my lunch. Absolutely killed it. It was so good. Hello beauties. So I just wanted to get on here and say that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. 100% recommend that Hoover vacuum. It's amazing. And I'm going to finish cleaning out my little beauty area. It's not completely done. I just wanted to say bye. I didn't end this video. It just ended abruptly. And to also try that recipe. It's delicious. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or if it was too long. I can definitely shorten them. But okay, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.